In this video, I'll show you how to edit code in BOLT.NEW step by step. First, go to the BOLT.NEW website and log into your account. After logging in, open the project you want to edit. With the project open, look at the top bar of the screen. Now, click the icon with two arrows called Code. After clicking Code, you will see all the code of your project. Here you can view all the project files. Now, select the file you want to modify. You can edit text, change styles, or modify functions in the project. After making changes, BOLT.NEW will show that the code has been modified. Now, you can choose to save, publish, or reset the changes. Click Save to save the code, or click Publish to publish the changes to your project. If needed, you can also click Reset to undo the changes.